So, this is my first video. This is my 2007 gv650 Hyosung, but it's actually a Suzuki. I don't know why. I think somebody was telling me it's a merge from 2007, but my title says Suzuki. It matches the numbers, so whatever. But it's been a great bike. I've had it for about a year. Done a lot of work, paint, LEDs. A lot of people think, I don't know, I really don't give a fuck what a lot of people think, but I bought this bike over a year ago. First day I bought it, the guy said, yeah, nothing's wrong with it, blase, blase, and the next day I fucking ended up putting a stator and a rectifier in it. So that was last summer. Went riding Sunday with a bunch of guys, stopped at the gas station, flipped my bike off, and nothing. So yesterday I took my fairing off, which goes right here, and I took a screwdriver and hit the negative and positive. I'm assuming this is my first bike, so cut me some slack. But if I bypassed it, it fired right up. It was like bam. It had to be something simple. My thing is, it's a 2007. This switch right here has probably never been replaced. I did go to AutoZone, and I ran the voltage regulator thing on the solenoid and also on this. But this didn't read shit. This did once I pressed the button. I don't know if the guy knew what the fuck he was doing or what. But I'm assuming it's not a stator, it's not a rectifier. I mean, it could be, but it's not. I'm assuming I went ahead and bought the switch, right handle switch, and also I bought the solenoid. I was watching a few guys' videos on the solenoids and everything they was talking about was the lights. If you can see, when I put my keys in, I go to hit the button, all my lights come on. Hitting the button now, I get nothing. No nothing. I know it's not a safety switch or kickstand switch or anything like that because I bypassed my kickstand safety switch, which is underneath here. There's a little rod that goes in and out, and that's the only thing that could really be stopping it from that. But still, it would allow it to at least turn over, I'm assuming. But yeah, that's the problem I'm having. But I mean, I love my bike. I've had it for a while, about a year. I've painted it, fucking hit it right here, drunk one day, plasti dip. And actually, I mean, it's something like plasti dip, but it's a whole lot better. The bike looks real good. I get a lot of compliments everywhere I go on it. And a lot of people talk shit about Hyosung, but all of my friends have Gixxers and everything else. And I'll tell you, this bike right here runs them down. It might not have a good first takeoff impression or whatever, but she gets the job done. But I'm in Myrtle Beach, and Bike Week's fucking 2 weeks away, and I'm dealing with this shit. But yeah, if you have if maybe you could help me out. But I've already, like I said, I've already ordered the solenoid, and I've also ordered the switch. I'm praying it's not a starter, but everybody that I've talked to and everything that we're talking about, it's not going anywhere towards that. So, but what's crazy is yesterday I was hitting it on this and it was firing right up. And then last night I just tried it and it was just throwing too many sparks and I didn't want to fuck up something else. So, oh well. But if you could help me, thanks.